contact tracing is a good concept, and it has its relevance when the cases are far and few between. It becomes an impossible task to start, at the numbers that we are having today, to do contact tracing. It's a task which is not even possible to accomplish. So, right, I mean, this Setu, that app, I mean, it's helpful, but over a period of time, it loses because the numbers are gone all over the place. Now, 90% of the people who you say today, where did you get it from? They say, I don't know. I've been so careful. I have my help at my house is always indoor. They have no contact outside. But how do I don't know get it? The whole households are getting it. So it's a very elusive thing. So it's not that what we thought was easy to do contact tracing and do this and do that. It's not that easy to do today. The only thing is personal protection. Please, this is Desh Bhakti. If you wear your mask and you maintain your distance and you do hygiene, this is Desh Bhakti. If you want to do something for India, please do it. This is the thing to do.